The phone rang just once, but for me it was the sound of a lifetime. I froze. The air in my little living room seemed to stop breathing. After all these years, it was her voice. My daughter. I stood there trembling, one hand still on the arm of the chair I used to rock her to sleep in. She said, "Hello, Mom." Just 2 words. And the world that had gone silent for 20 years suddenly began to move again. I cleaned every corner of this old house before she came. I polished the picture frames, arranged the flowers she once loved, and baked that apple pie she used to sneak bites from. Every creak of the floorboard whispered her name. I kept asking myself, would she recognize the smell of home? Would she still like the way the sun falls through the kitchen window at noon? Would she still call this place hers? When the doorbell rang, I almost couldn't move. My hands shook, the same way they did the night she left. That night, I said words no mother should ever say. And she turned away with tears I never wiped. But now, here she was, standing at my door. Her eyes older, but her smile still mine. We didn't speak at first. We just looked, the air between us thick with all the things we never said. Then she whispered, "I missed you, Mom." And my heart broke in the most beautiful way. We cried. We laughed. We sat at the kitchen table where we once fought. The sound of forgiveness filled the room like music. Soft, gentle healing. Sometimes love doesn't need words. Sometimes it just needs a door to open, and 2 hearts brave enough to walk through. And as the evening sun poured through the window, I realized forgiveness isn't about forgetting. It's about remembering, without the pain, because love always finds its way home. I hope my story touched your heart. For more inspiring and heartfelt stories, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel.